In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to turn off call notifications on Telegram for PC, especially with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram account on your PC. Launch the application and make sure you're logged into your profile. Once you're in, look at the web address bar at the top of your screen. Right next to the URL, you'll see a small icon, usually represented by a padlock. Click on that icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu with site information. Next, click on View Site Information. This will take you to a new window where you can manage your settings for Telegram. Now, look for the option labeled Site Settings. Click on that to open another window where you can adjust various permissions for the site. Under the Permissions section, find the option labeled Notifications. You'll see a box next to it indicating the current settings. Click on that box. Finally, choose Block from the available options. This action will stop any call notifications from appearing on your Telegram app, keeping your screen free from interruptions during calls. And that's it. You have successfully disabled call notifications on Telegram for your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter Telegram experience.